Oh.
What is that we're looking at?
Milwaukee PACKOUTs. Tool storage. They all interlock. Take them out. Slide. All you gotta do is press this button, pull them out. This is my bit box. Keep bits and drill bits in here. It's real light. Anytime I use my drill, just take it off and this is what I use for my charging box for my batteries. Right now it's got harnesses and stuff in here, but I made it work. Where is it? This is where I kept all my batteries and stuff at. I drilled a hole right here at the side of it and ran the cords out so I could plug them up to a plug-in without having the top open. I just shut it and plug it straight up to the wall like this. And if it started raining or something, it wouldn't matter. It wouldn't get the chargers or the batteries wet. This is the bottom, the base of the PACKOUTs. And the handle goes up and down. So if you just got it alone, it's compact. I keep my skill saws and stuff in here.
You got a yellow tool and a red box.
It's the only DeWalt I got.
Yellow tool.
Huh?
Tell us about your yellow tool there. What is that?
60 volt DeWalt. I ain't even got a battery for it anymore. I don't even. This is the fuel skill saw. And this drill's kind of old, but Milwaukee fuel hammer drill. And they all got 1 keys on them. 1 key is on your phone. You can download an app and change the settings on it, how fast they spin and GPS and all that. And then Milwaukee's got these little ticks, what they're called, Milwaukee ticks, and they're GPS trackers. So somebody steals your box, you can find it. If they come in range with another Milwaukee 1 key owner, which is getting bigger because Milwaukee's better than DeWalt.